In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to recover a deleted board in Trello, step by step. Now, before we jump in, there's something very important you need to understand. In Trello, there's a big difference between a board that's closed and one that's permanently deleted. A closed board can be reopened at any time. A permanently deleted board, however, is gone for good, unless you have a backup. So in most cases, when people think they've deleted a board, it's actually just closed, and that's what we're going to recover today. Also, if you deleted an entire workspace, the boards inside that workspace are usually just closed, not permanently deleted, which means you can restore them as well. I'll walk you through everything. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple Trello tutorials just like this. All right, let's get started. First, open Trello and log into your account. Once you're inside Trello, look at the top left corner of the screen and click on the Trello logo. This will take you back to your main dashboard where you can see all of your boards and workspaces. Now, from your dashboard, you need to access your closed boards. To do that, look for the option that says View All Closed Boards. Depending on your layout, you may find this inside your Boards section. Go ahead and click on View All Closed Boards. Once you're there, Trello will show you a list of all the boards that have been closed but not permanently deleted. Scroll through the list and find the board that you want to recover. When you locate the board, click on the Reopen button next to it. This tells Trello that you want to restore the board and make it active again. After clicking Reopen, Trello may ask you to select a workspace to move the board back into. This step is important if the original workspace was removed or if you want the board to live somewhere specific. Simply choose the appropriate workspace from the drop-down list. Once you've selected the workspace, click on Reopen Board to confirm. Trello will now restore the board and make it active again. Finally, navigate back to your dashboard and click on the reopened board to open it. You'll see all your lists, cards, attachments, and activity exactly as they were before the board was closed. And that's it. That's how you recover a deleted board in Trello. Just remember, this method works for boards that were closed, not permanently deleted. If a board was permanently deleted, unfortunately, Trello does not provide a way to recover it unless you have previously exported a backup. If this tutorial helped you recover your Trello board, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Trello guides, productivity tips, and step-by-step software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.